We are pleased to show you the 2017 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, hill descent control, roof rails, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.